Hi friends, welcome to Bright Learners. Today, we'll learn 100 simple English sentences for daily life with clear don't meanings to help you understand. Let's get started. Get moving.
Don't be lazy.
Be polite.
Don't be rude.
Please don't interrupt.
Don't interrupt people.
Take turns.
Don't grab toys from others.
Be careful.
Don't be careless.
Finish chewing first.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Let others finish.
Don't talk over others.
Lower your voice.
Don't raise your voice.
Don't stare.
Don't stare at people.
Please be patient.
Don't be impatient.
Wait your turn.
Don't cut in line.
Please respond.
Don't ignore people.
Say please.
Don't forget to say please.
Say thank you.
Don't forget to say thank you.
It's okay.
Don't worry.
Stay calm.
Don't panic.
Calm down.
Don't be angry.
Just ask.
Don't be afraid to ask.
Believe in yourself.
Don't doubt yourself.
Keep it simple.
Don't overthink it.
Take it easy.
Don't lose your temper.
Watch your words.
Don't use rude words.
Be on time.
Don't be late.
Just let me know early.
Don't cancel at the last minute.
Meet the deadline.
Don't miss the deadline.
Take your time.
Don't rush your decision.
Let's get to it.
Don't waste time.
Remember the date.
Don't forget the date.
No rush.
Don't come too early.
Don't be late.
Don't keep people waiting.
Please put your phone away.
Don't check your phone during meetings.
Let's keep our voices down.
Don't talk loudly at work.
Hold on a second.
Don't interrupt your coworkers.
Please check your email.
Don't ignore emails.
Keep your desk tidy.
Don't leave your desk messy.
Let's not point fingers.
Don't blame others.
Let's keep it professional.
Don't gossip at work.
Remember the meeting.
Don't forget the meeting.
Pay attention to the details.
Don't miss important details.
Please turn off the lights.
Don't leave the lights on.
Turn off the tap.
Don't waste water.
Please wash the dishes.
Don't leave dirty dishes.
Lock the door, please.
Don't forget to lock the door.
Keep it tidy.
Don't make a mess.
Do you have your keys?
Don't forget your keys.
Put the food away.
Don't leave food out.
Please clean up.
Don't forget to clean up.
Turn the music down.
Don't play music too loud.
Please be quiet.
Don't disturb others.
Please use the trash can.
Don't litter.
Please move aside.
Don't block the way.
No smoking here.
Don't smoke here.
Please keep your voice down.
Don't talk on the phone loudly.
Please keep some distance.
Don't stand too close.
Wait your turn.
Don't skip the line.
Please don't touch that.
Don't touch things that aren't yours.
No food inside.
Don't bring food inside.
Take everything with you.
Don't forget your belongings.
Relax a bit.
Don't take it too seriously.
Keep going.
Don't give up.
Be kind to yourself.
Don't be so hard on yourself.
Be honest.
Don't lie.
Share your feelings.
Don't hide your feelings.
Wait and see.
Don't jump to conclusions.
Don't assume.
Don't make assumptions.
Let them finish.
Don't interrupt when others speak.
Let's move on.
Don't bring up the past.
It's not worth arguing.
Don't argue over small things.
Think before you speak.
Don't say things you don't mean.
Pay attention to the signs.
Don't ignore red flags.
Please listen.
Don't forget to listen.
Watch your spending.
Don't overspend.
Grab your wallet.
Don't forget your wallet.
Do you really need this?
Don't buy things you don't need.
Check the price.
Don't forget to check the price.
Keep the receipt.
Don't lose the receipt.
Think before you borrow.
Don't borrow money lightly.
Please pay the bill.
Don't forget to pay the bill.
Check your bank messages.
Don't ignore bank messages.
Read it before you sign.
Don't sign without reading.
Take your time before buying.
Don't rush into a purchase.
Make sure you eat.
Don't skip meals.
Go to bed earlier.
Don't stay up too late.
Slow down on the drinks.
Don't drink too much.
Get some rest.
Don't forget to rest.
Listen to your body.
Don't ignore pain.
Try to exercise.
Don't forget to exercise.
Slow down a bit.
Don't overwork yourself.
Drink some water.
Don't forget to drink water.
Get up and stretch.
Don't sit all day.
Take care of yourself.
Don't neglect your health.
Keep learning.
Don't stop learning.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Focus on yourself.
Don't compare yourself to others.
Let's get started.
Don't wait too long to start.
Remember your goals.
Don't forget your goals.
You can do this.
Don't underestimate yourself.
Put in the work.
Don't rely on luck.
Stick with it.
Don't quit too early.
Listen to feedback.
Don't ignore feedback.
Hurry up.
Don't miss the bus.
No parking here.
Don't park here.
Remember why you started.
Don't forget why you started.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.